made it here. Congratulations to the both of us and looking forward for a beautiful family and a life with you.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with.
Ang nagustuhan ko siguro sa kanya, maalaga siya. Ang love language niya ay gift-giving. Kumbaga, mahilig siyang magbigay ng mga regalo. And napaka-understanding niya. And sobrang talino din.
Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let His will be done.
Habang nagsasama kayo kay Jaser, ay magandang kinabukasan ninyo.
And maraming salamat sa iyo, Tatang, kasi lumaki akong ganito, kasi ikaw yung nagpalaki sa akin. And maraming salamat sa pag-abay mo sa akin. Kay Mama naman, ang Inang, maraming salamat sa pag-alaga sa akin simula bata hanggang pagdanda. Hanggang ngayon, nandito, tinutulungan niyo pa rin kami at inaalagaan. Itong munting regalo ko para sa inyo, Inang and Tatang.
We ever know ourselves.
Dumating na rin sa wakas yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Dati, akala ko hindi na mangyayari ito. Pero pag si Lord talaga ang nagplano sa buhay mo, ibibigay niya ang para sa iyo.
And He's ever there to help us clear the path. All we know is He knows, and we follow His direction. Even though life is short.
Bago tayo mapunta sa yugtong ito, napakarami na nating pinagdaanan. Kaya masasabi kong pinagtibay niya muna. Dahil alam niya na mas marami pa tayong pagsubok na haharap. Pwede na natin gawin lahat ng gusto natin. Makapag-travel na tayo ng tayong dalawa lang. Kahit saan, kahit anong oras pa. At hindi ko na kailangan pang umuwi ng late. Dahil ngayon, ikaw na ang aking tahanan.
We have made some mistakes, but He's there to tidy up our mess. We are blessed by His embrace. We'll serve together through His grace. And I know, and you know, that He knows, and it shows that with faith and love, we stand the blast. 'Cause He
Kaya,
knows that only
kahit anumang hamon, kahit gaano pa kahirap ang sitwasyon, pangako ko sa iyo na magkasama tayong aahon. At tandaan mo na sa hirap man o ginhawa, sa lungkot o saya, sa sakit o sigla, hinding-hindi ko bibitawan ang iyong mga kamay. Hi, Sugar Addy! Do you remember these shoes? These shoes symbolize your genuine love, sacrifices, kindness, generosity at all times. Kaya ayan, ako na bumili because you deserve to have things you have wanted to. Thank you, Adi. I love you.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Si Oliver, sobrang friendly sa lahat ng tao kahit saan mo siya ilagay, sa family, sa friends. Lagi siya na-create ng camaraderie in anyone. Hindi mahirap pakasama ang tao. Very selfless and sacrificial, especially sa mga taong mahal niya and sa family.
She took my arm. I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. A backless.
Nakamainhen, Micaela. And also Serene. Open. Oh, sorry.
Yun na, address na.
Yun.
Pinatay sa we took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me.
magkakasal na ako, malapit na akong ikasal at malapit na rin isakal. Hindi, joke lang.
Would give that to me. Adi, I love you. Time flies when you're in love. Enjoy every moment with this smartwatch, a gift from your beloved girl. Wow! Thank you so much, Adi. And ready ka na ba for later?
Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
October 12, 2019, 1,846 meters above sea level. The sun wasn't already rising at Mount Ulap, but I first saw you clearly, a man wearing gray with a cute smile. Ang una kong napasabi, Lord, ang guwapo, Christian ba to? And you first approached me saying, Ate, pwedeng picturean mo ako dun. And that's how our friendship began.
Kung paano kami nagkakilala ni Jay Sir, may outdoor group kasi kami noon. Umakyat kami ng bundok. So, yung bundok na yon sa Mount Ulap yon.
It's in Itogon, Benguet. And yun yung naging first hike namin. And then,
Nasa peak na kami noon. And then, sabi ko, walang magpipicture sa amin. Sabi ko, ayun, may nakita akong isang babae. Singkit yon nung nakita ko siya. So, wow, ganda naman ito.
doon nag-start yung friendship up until it go deeper. And we came into a point in here. Tama po, sa bundok po kami unang nakita at sa bundok din nagbigay ng confirmation ang Lord for us.
Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot kung sakali man ika'y mawawala.
Hindi ako mapapagod na mahalin ka at hindi ako magsasawa. Kahit topakin at masungit ka, lagi kitang susuyuin. Ngayon, hindi lang ikaw ang pinakasalan ko, pati na rin ang iyong mga pangarap.
We will build a home. We will reach all our dreams together. We will walk together in God's purpose for our marriage. We will face all the challenges that the world may hinder in us, and we will grow old happily together. Hindi pala talaga ATTY, MBA, MM, PhD, or CHRA ang kinakabit sa pangalan na magbibigay ng totoong happiness sa akin, kundi ang last name mo. So finally, magiging Mrs. Marcos na ako.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw.
Magiging nanay na rin soon. At saka, hindi madali ang mag-asawa. Pero, andyan yung challenge.
Thank you so much, Ma, and looking forward for a better life. Sabi mo kanina, this marriage is not about yung mababawasan yung tao sa bahay, pero madadagdagan. So, looking forward for that. Thank you also. It's sad knowing na wala siya here, but I know he's happy, and I hope proud also.
Proud siya, I'm sure.
At ako.
At sa wakas ay nahanap ko na rin.
To you, Oliver Marcos, I vow to be by your side, to walk through life hand in hand as your partner and equal. I promise to love you endlessly, to stand by you as you pursue your dreams, and to treasure each moment we spend together. I commit to being truthful and faithful, to openly share my thoughts and embrace our uniqueness. I promise to create a loving, joyful, and supportive home. I give you my heart, my soul, and my enduring love, eagerly looking forward to the life we will build together as husband and wife. I love you, dear.
Ikaw ang tanging gusto ko at kailangan. Mamahalin ko ang lahat sa iyo. Ikaw at ako, tayong dalawa habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, Ate.